This is the Honk Honk stamp and die set from Spellbinders. There are 8 cutting dies and 4 clear stamps in this set. The stamps are perfect sentiments to go with the geese. There is I'll be, you're up when you're feeling down, honk, hello you silly goose, and make a splash on your birthday. So it works perfectly for cards created with little geese. They are perfect for putting together, and to add a little bit of extra dimension, I use some velvet cardstock to give them a soft, fuzzy feel. I also like to use some reverse tweezers when I'm creating with them because it makes it perfect and really easy for those little tiny bits. Liquid glue is also your friend when it comes to putting dies or die cuts together like this, because you have a little bit of wiggle room and can move those die cuts in place. These die cuts are quite tiny, especially for the bill and the legs, so they're perfect for using up cardstock scraps. I created a shadow box card with both these as well as some other dies in the same collection to create kind of a farm themed one, and I love the geese on there. I also love that there's 2 different sizes. You definitely get one that's a little bit larger and one that's a little bit smaller. They also have hats that you can add to them. I chose not to, but I love the final result.